Hello guys, I know by now most of you must have had problems buying baby Doge coin, and I'm going to see this is baby Doge coin, which is here, and you're seeing that it's doing great by the way. And I know many of you must have found difficulties buying it. They say earn coins and rescue dogs. Baby Doge has learned a few tricks and lessons from his meme father Dogecoin, a new crypto bred by members of the Dogecoin online community. Baby Doge seeks to impress his father by showing his new improved transaction speeds and adorableness. He is hyper-deflationary with an integrated smart staking system built in to reward you, so more baby Doge coins are being automatically added to your wallet each transaction. Simply love, pet, and watch your baby Doge grow. And looking at this project, let's see all. You're going to see that the project had an all-time high, went to an all-time low, and now it's even trying to go back up again. So it's not a bad time to buy baby Doge if you want to buy baby Doge. So how to buy it, because I've actually tried so many times and it's not worked out. So I want to teach you how you can actually buy. So for those of you I'm using Trust Wallet. You can download the Trust Wallet and sign up, and it's going to tell you, show your phrases, copy your phrases to paper, never forget it, save it somewhere. We enter those phrases and it's going to link you here. Make sure you buy some coins into your smart chain. It's very expensive to buy coins on this exchange, Trust Wallet, so I had to send some from my BNB to the smart chain address of this my wallet, Trust Wallet. So next you go to dApps and history, is because I'm using something. So you go down and you're going to see Pancake Swap. You go to Pancake Swap. Please guys, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, as we are going to give you more content. We are going to give you live updates. We are going to give you more and more and more. Just please hit the subscribe button and let's continue with our wonderful and awesome tutorial. And I don't know how your own, make sure you connect when you are in Pancake Swap. Make sure you go up here. I'm going to show you, this is for Android, because for iOS it is different. That is for those of you using Apple phones, it is different. So you connect, like my own just showed connect wallet. If your wallet is not yet connected, you connect wallet there, and you're going to choose your Trust Wallet and you connect it to it if you're using an Android phone, and that is it. It connects automatically to the Trust Wallet of your phone. All right, then when you're there, it's already BNB. You can choose max if you want to put max. It all depends on you. Or if you want to put something little, let's say 2. All right, I'll go down, so I don't want to put everything. And you select the currency that you want. I can still put max if I want to put max. Select a currency, let's say, now you see baby Doge, but you just search for babe and you're going to see Doge. The babies are going to come. Sorry, my phone is behaving right now. We move it on charge. So that's baby Doge there that I'm seeing already. So I'll baby Doge, but search for baby Doge that same way and connect. It has given that sound showing that actually add baby Doge to it, and you see. So is now this is where the problem lies. Most of you set the slippage to 12. How do you set it to 12? Go to settings up here, that is beside the exchange, and you're going to see it's going to open up for you to set your slippage levels. So the slippage levels is what has actually caused a lot of problems with some people, because you find it difficult to actually buy if your slippage level is below 12. So if it is at 12, then it's okay. So 8, 10 doesn't go. After you've confirmed that it's on exchange and you've selected the amount of BNB you want to swap, then it's going to give you the exact amount, and make sure it is 12% slippage tolerance. Then click on swap, After clicking on swap, it's going to open the next. Sometimes network really disturbs and makes the whole process to be slow, like here in Cameroon. So that is it, and I approve. Here we go. So you can see that I've actually bought my baby Doge. Sorry for the network glitch. I've actually added some baby Doge. Let's check the wallet again. It's trying to tell me that maybe the transaction went through, maybe it did not go through. So let's see. Okay, it went through then. Yeah, it went through. Of course, I've actually staked my baby Doge. So let me repeat the process again. Go to your dApps, pancakeswap.finance. You can go to your dApps and just put pancakeswap.finance, and it's going to lead you to the main exchange, PancakeSwap, where you can actually swap your BNB tokens or coins for baby Doge coins, and that is how the whole process has been done. So I hope you learned something, and ask your questions below.